Look, I found the workshop fabulous today. I found some really good marketing ideas. Anybody starting up in a new business should attend one of these workshops. It's fabulous.
Yeah, you need to know this stuff if you're going to run a business, so yeah, it's very important. So I would recommend it.